Hi, and welcome to Crypto Cash Army. I'm Captain Crypto, and this is the Stellar XLM News and Price Update for May 14, 2021. Before we go any further, I'd like to take a few seconds to say thank you to everyone that is supporting the channel. If you're not already a subscriber, please do subscribe and smash that like button. Again, thank you so much for being here. Let's get into the video. Hi, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to cover some general market news as well as some news specific to Stellar XLM. And then I'm going to go over the price action for Stellar to see how it's been doing the last couple of days and give you some ideas on what I think it'll do in the short term. But before we do that, I need to show you the obligatory 5-second disclaimer. Hi, and we're back. We'll go ahead and get started by jumping right into some Stellar news. And this is from the Stellar.org blog. Stably makes financial transactions cheaper, faster, and more transparent with USDC. Wallets are an important category of applications leveraging Stellar, providing businesses and individual consumers an interface that lets them store, send, and receive value in the form of digitized tokens. By connecting users directly to the Stellar network, while providing them a positive experience. Wallets promote mainstream adoption of blockchain-powered payments and increase access to the global financial system. Stably, a fintech company whose mission is to make financial transactions faster, cheaper, and more transparent, is launching a fiat deposit withdrawal API to be used by any wallets in the Stellar ecosystem. By offering a SEP24 compliant on-off ramp to Stellar USDC, Stably's API allows wallets on Stellar to integrate with it with little effort, giving its users direct access to USDC. Additionally, Stably is allowing users to deposit and withdraw Stellar USDC and USDS into Stably Prime, their own borderless wallet platform powered by stablecoins and asset-backed tokens. Building on the recent launch of their deposit withdrawal API, Stably will soon launch a SEP31 integration, allowing Stably Prime users and other Stably customers to send and receive USDC and USDS directly into international bank accounts, digital wallets, or mobile money accounts through the Stellar Anchor network. Stably CEO and co-founder Corey Hong stated Stellar was one of the initial blockchains that Stably decided to explore. While we have tested our product on other blockchains, we always plan to bring our product onto Stellar. With Stellar USDC, we're making it happen. So Stably is partnering with Stellar to offer a stablecoin and also integrate the Stably wallet and ecosystem into the Stellar blockchain. So this could be really big news for Stellar. And this is on the Stellar.org blog, but on the Stably site, they're talking about this as well. And I'll leave the links to both articles in the description if you want to take a further look at it. Next, Stellar Community Seed Fund number 1 is finished. And this is where Stellar offers funding to startup projects that want to develop on the Stellar network. The sun is set on yet another SCF. 8 incredible projects are walking away with grants totaling 5 million XLM that can help them take their ambitious enterprises to the next level. And I could not be more proud. Engagement was high, there were tons of quality submissions, and the feedback everyone in the community provided about the process is proving invaluable as we continue to optimize community funding. Below you can find out more about the winners, along with thoughts about what's next for the SCF. Please do take some time to familiar yourself with these projects. And again, I'll leave a link to this article in the description. Some of them relate to like enterprise payment processing, debit cards, DeFi, social scaling, gaming, fintech. The list is pretty diverse. So what comes next? Stellar is still going to be giving out more of this funding this year. We are committed to giving out the remaining 7 million XLM allocated for the community fund this year. And in case this isn't obvious, in continuing SCF rounds for years to come. We plan to run 2 more SCF rounds in 2021, each of which will award 3.5 million XLM. The first will run from July through September, the second from October through December. So this is an excellent way for Stellar to onboard new projects that will use their blockchain, which of course will help the Stellar network grow, which of course will help XLM. And now for our final bit of news. And this is also from the Stellar blog. Tala and Visa partner on solution for Underbanked supported by Circle and Stellar. Today, Tala and Visa announced a new partnership that will look to bring blockchain solutions to emerging markets and expand access to financial services. Together with SDF and Circle, the organizations will explore opportunities, make it easier for underbanked customers to convert, store, and use digital assets. By integrating with Circle and Stellar, Tala customers will have access to USDC in Tala's digital wallet, enabling secure and stable storage of money, fast and affordable cross-border money transfers, and easy exchange into other digital assets or local fiat. The partnership will also enable Tala to offer Visa cards linked to Tala's digital wallet, giving customers a seamless way to spend against their USDC balance at any of the 70 million merchants worldwide that accept Visa. I am thrilled to see Tala and Visa forge this partnership to leverage the power of the Stellar network and Circle's world-class USDC stablecoin to empower underbanked populations with fast and affordable financial tools and services, said Danelle Dixon, SDF CEO and Executive Director. So this is another really exciting partnership that Stellar is involved in that will definitely help push adoption for XLM even farther in the underbanked and underserved financial communities around the world. And now for a little general market news. Today, the blockchain Center.net altcoin season index score is at 88. And this indicates that quite a few altcoins are presently outperforming Bitcoin. However, the Fear and Greed Index score is sitting at a very low 26, indicating that there is still a lot of fear and trepidation in investors and potential currency buyers. However, the market is starting to see a little upward trend, and I have a feeling that the score will go up a little bit tomorrow, if not considerably. Currently, the market cap of all cryptocurrencies is sitting at about $2.3 trillion, and in the last 24 hours, there's been about $220 billion in trading across all exchanges. Bitcoin dominance is currently at 40.3%, which is really good for XLM. And now let's get into price action for XLM. According to the nomics.com website, Stellar is currently at 66 cents and is up about 3% on the day. Stellar has a market cap of $15.3 billion with trading volume of about $3.4 billion over the last 24 hours. Currently, Stellar is ranked number 16 on the nomics.com top 100 cryptocurrencies list. Now let's go to the charts. If we start with the daily chart, you can see that Stellar has indeed recovered quite a bit from this dump that was caused by Elon Musk's tweet about not accepting Bitcoin. And it went down about 19%, and it's recovered about 10% since then. Currently on Binance, XLM is trading at about 64.7 cents, and volume is moderate. If you look here on the daily chart again, you can see that XLM did dip right below the 0.702 on the Fibonacci, or about 59 cents, but has rallied and made it back up to the 0.786 level, or 64 cents. Now we do have a small red candle developing on this current daily chart, but we still need to wait to see where that plays out. Daily volume is trending downward, so that could be an indication that we may have a little selling pressure and downward price action. The RSI is moderate at about 56.7, and we would like to see this come down a little bit more since we are having decreasing volume. If you get down to this like 38 level, that'd be outstanding, because 38 on the RSI, or 38 on the daily RSI rather, is where Stellar seems to just explode and take off whenever it hits that point. The MACD is still looking okay for Stellar, but it is starting to trend downward a little bit. So you could maybe expect in the next 2 or 3 days a bearish cross, and that could lead to a slight downward trend in pricing, but it would also probably help volumes level out, even if it's on the selling side a little bit, to bring this RSI down. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Now here, again, you can see that Stellar is starting to trend downward. A few days ago, we completed a double top, which almost always means a downward trend. And sure enough, we had it. But it didn't fall as much as I would have thought. I fully expected it to come back down to the 0.618 level or 55 cents before it started moving back up. But it fooled me and started moving back up at 59 cents, and that's good. Now, like I said, it is trending downward a little bit, and hopefully it won't fall below the 0.786. But if it does, then it'll probably fall all the way down to this 0.702 level. And if it can stay there and then go back up, we will have effectively created a double bottom, which can be really bullish and send us on up close to our local high of about 78 cents. But if it does fall below this 0.702, then the next crucial level of support would be the 0.618 or about 55 cents. If it can stay there, then again, it does have a chance to recover and come back up to about 78 cents. But if it falls below this 618 level, which is our golden ratio, that's a really bearish sign in the short term, and it'll probably fall perhaps as low as the 0.382, but certainly to the 0.50. But if it can stabilize and not fall any farther than this 0.702, then I do foresee a quick uptrend to the local high of about 78 cents in just the next few days. And if it can stay above the 0.618, the same thing. It just may take a day or two longer. But anyway, in the short term, I think with volumes being the way they are and decreasing, that could also serve to protect the price and keep it from falling too much. So with the low volume in mind, again, you can see it's decreasing here. I kind of expect XLM to kind of move sideways, more so than I predict downward or upward action. So I'm probably guessing that it'll stay somewhere in the 702 area, but it could trade up here right above the 786 level. And hopefully this 0.786 level or 64% will be a solid support, because if this level does hold, then you're going to see a much quicker rise to our local high. And I do still believe that sometime before the end of summer, maybe by the end of July, that we can make it up to about $1.38. Well, I think that's all I've got for now. And if you did find this video informative or useful, please subscribe, please like, and please share. But until next time, this is Captain Crypto signing off for now. Please stay blessed. Please take care. Bye-bye.